Hello everyone, welcome back to another lesson in Solidworks. And for this video we're going to be going over another example on creating a mechanical drawing. So I've got this example right here. It's a little bit more involved than we just done. So you got a couple different views. We've got a side view, a top view, and a front view here. We've got an auxiliary view here, which is this view right here looking down this way. We have a section view, an isometric view, and then we have a broken out section view. So a couple more things we're going to be adding into our skill set in this example. So let's go ahead and fire up a new file. So new drawing. And I think I'm going to pick a bigger piece of paper this time. I think I'm going to go with, let's do, you know what, I'm just going to give myself the biggest piece of paper. Let's go with E. Alright, so I got a big piece of paper right now. So I'm going to go ahead and bring in the new example, which is example 2. I'm going to turn on preview so I can see what I'm looking at. So I want this view, I want this view, and I want this view. Alright, so I'll hit OK. Now, if I want to go and add in another model view, I come up here to model view. I can bring in the part again. I can just click isometric, and I'm just going to drop that in place like that. And I'm going to resize this, so I'll click on it. And I'm going to make this scale 2:1. 2:1 looks fine. Alright. Now, it looks like I've got a section view down in here. So I'll go section view. I'm just going to mouse over it till it snaps to this hole. Hit OK. And I'm going to drag it out like this. I need to flip the direction. And there we go. I got the view in. Now I'm going to move it down into this bottom left corner. So I'm going to right click on it. Click alignment, break alignment, and I'm going to drag it down to right here. Now the view I've got up in here is what's called an auxiliary view. So the way I go ahead and put that in is I click on auxiliary here, and I'm clicking on the edge here that I want to create the view of. So I'll click this edge right here, and I've got the shape now. So I'm going to go ahead and resize it. 2:1. 2:1 is maybe a little bit too small. So I'm going to scroll up a little further and put my own ratio. Let's try 5:2 maybe. See what that looks like. Maybe a little bit bigger. It's 6:2. I think 6:2 looks pretty good. So I'm just going to break alignment and move it over. Okay, and I'll move this title right up there like that. Okay, so the default is just this arrow pointing in the direction. I want to try to get it to be this line like in this drawing. So the way I would do that is I come back up here to my document properties, and I'm just going to scroll down. Let's see, it should be in views, auxiliary. Let's see, I want same as section here. So hit OK. Yep, now it gives me what I want. So I got this nice big indicator right there. Okay, I hit OK. Alright, so now I think I've got everything I want right now. I'm going to go ahead and increase the font size. Let me go, let's see, document properties, views, font, and I'm going to increase it to, let's just say 16. What does 16 end up looking like? Yeah, it's a little bit bigger. Let's go bigger still. Let's try, let's see, let's make it so it's noticeable. So views, font, let's just make it 36. Alright, that looks good to me. Now I'm going to drag this down just a smidge. Move you here. and move you here. All right. Now let's start adding in some dimensions. I'm going to save this part for last, to how to do the broken out section view. So I'm going to start by dimensioning this right here. So it looks like I've got, so annotations, smart. I've got here. I'm going to increase the font size on the annotations. So annotations, font, let's make it 20. Let's go bigger still. Documents, annotations, font, 28. It's not getting bigger. Why is it not getting bigger? Let's try just going straight. Oh, right. It's because I gotta go dimensions, not annotations. So dimensions, points. Let's make it 18. 18 should be plenty. Still no. Let's try it again. Document properties, dimensions. Let's just go all the way up to 36 and see if that makes it bigger. There it does. Alright, now it's bigger now. Okay, so I got the right size that I want. I'm going to keep going. I've got 50 here, here, to here is 125. I've got here to here is 225. I've got 0.13 from here to here. And if you notice, if I drag this dimension down, it's going to snap to put it in line like that. So that can really help me when I'm going for neatness. So from here up to here. Okay. And I've got here to here. And I'm going to put a note that that is 4x. Okay, I'll hit OK. And I've also got this diameter here. Nope. So smart dimension, I want to get let's go ahead and nope, sorry, I'm not calling out the hole in that view. Okay, so I think I'm good on this view now. Let's move on to the next one. So I've got this one. I got a dimension now. So I'll go smart dimension. I've got here to here. .21. I've got here to here. I've got here to here. No, I don't have it to there. I've got it from here to here. I've got here out to here. Here, I'm gonna move this down just a bit, give myself some more space to work with, and I'll move this over here. Okay, and then finally I've got here to here. Alright. Nope, I don't got that view either. I've got from here to here. There we go. And just like in regular Sketch, if I wanted to undo something, I just hit Control Z. Alright, so now that I got all those dimensions in, I'm going to get here, 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 to here, here, up to here. Oops. Control Z. Here to here. Here up to here. And then finally here up to here. I'm going to move that in like that. Same with this, 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 and this. Alright, so now I've got this round up here. So I'll just click here, and I'll put the note that it is 4 corners. Okay, hit OK, and I've got another one that is right here, and that is going to be 4x. I think I want to change the way those look, so I want to go back into my document views, dimensions, radius. I want it to look, why is it ISO? I want ANSI. Oops, ANSI. Okay, hit OK. And I'm going to go ahead and put it back to where it was. So views, the font size was something nice and big. 24 should be good. Okay, that's good for that. And then the size of all of the dimensions, that was going to be 20. Okay. Alright, there we go. Now everything looks right. Okay, very good. Moving on. Let's go ahead and dimension this view here. So I've got from here to here. I've got here to here. And I'm going to put a note that's 3 times. Okay. I've got here to here. I've got here to here. And I'm going to put a note that that is 3 times. Okay. I've got here to here. And I'll put a note, should be 2 times, so let's go put 2x. Alright, I'm just going to drag this up, put it in line, and I think that that's good. Drag this over for neatness sakes, and now I've got here to here. Oops, nope, not an angle. Here to here, not an angle. Vertical dimension, here to here. There we go. Okay. Now I'm going to put a whole call out for this right here. Oh, not that. I want whole call out. Let's do the inner part. There we go. That's what I want. And I want to say that that is 3 times. Okay. And finally, I've got from here to here. Yes. Okay. Alright, so that'll do it for that view. Moving on to this one in the upper right. So I've got the common bolt diameter already called out. If I want, let me go ahead and just manually put all that back in. So I'm gonna highlight it, delete it, and I'm gonna put them all in on my own, just so we can practice that again. All right. So I'm up to center mark. Make sure that circular center mark is selected, and I'm going to select this one, this one, this one. That creates a common bolt diameter, just like that. Hit OK. That's what I want. That one, that one, that one, that one, that one. That way I get the bullseye right in the center of all of them. All right, so I'm going to call out this dimension. So I'll click on it. I want this to be displayed as a diameter, but we'll go ahead and call it a BCD, bolt common diameter. And then I'm just going to right click on it, display options, display as a diameter. That's what I want. All right, so now I've got a dimension from here. Oops, let's go here to here. Nope. Control Z. From here to here. And I've got a whole call out here. Okay. This is in 4 places. Okay. And I'm going to do the same thing with the small one as well. Whole call out. Click the center one. And I'm going to define that as being 4x. All right. Now I think that is everything for this view. All right. Moving on to the last one. So this last one has what's called a broken out section view. So what that's doing is it's showing something that is hidden away. So it's cutting away the area in here to reveal this pocket right here. So let's go ahead and give that one a try. So I'm going to go View Layout. I'm going to select Broken Out Section View. And I want to do it on this view right here. So I'm going to create a spline shape around the area like that, and turn preview on, and you're going to notice these lines appear. That's showing the depth as to how far down I'm going into this model to show what's hidden away. So that looks to be about right, what I want to see. Let's go 1 inch. Yeah, that looks a bit better. So these yellow lines are showing me how far down into the shape that I'm cutting, so you can get it from all perspectives. So hit OK. So now I'm going to call out this right here to define how deep these pockets are. So let's see, 2 times side pockets. Hit OK. Now I've got dimensions up here from here to the bullseye of 18, and from here to the bullseye as well. So horizontal. Actually, no, I want vertical. Vertical from here to here. There we go. All right. Now I've got from here to here, 65. Let me move this out to here, and I'm going to move this up here. That makes a little bit more sense to put it that way. And put this in line. All right. Now I've got a whole call out here. I'm going to put that as being 4 times. Alright. And finally, I got down here. And that's my last dimension. And there we have the drawing. So now if I want to add in some more details down to here, or if I want to give it a title, add in who drew it, who's the engineer, any more comments, what I can do is I can right click in the space, click edit sheet format, and now I can go ahead editing. So this is going to be, let's see, lecture 6, drawing 2. Alright. It was drawn by me. And we'll call this Rev A. So all these spaces you can fill in with whatever information you want. Now if you want to go back to your drawing, you're just going to right click back in space, click edit sheet, and it all comes right back, and this goes solid. So let's go ahead and let's save this. So it's very important to save these drawings in the same directory as the part, because it's referencing the 3D part file to create all these views, so it needs to be able to locate it. So it's good practice to keep everything together. So I'm just going to save this right here, save all. Now I also have the ability to save this as a PDF, so save as PDF, and you can export this as a PDF and open it in a file much like this. So that's going to do it for this video. There's a lot we went over today. Be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to get more content such as this, and we'll see you next time. Later.